Hey, my people, brothers and sisters, I greet you now. As I promised, I said I go come with a part 2 of the video where I showed the last time where they talk about how Fulani people, they stab Hausa people for back, take their land, take their properties, their rights and privileges, even their human rights. And they also they look for how they go stab all the many other nations wey dey around the Niger area for back. Though they don't enter government too, but e get where things go reach because of the evil and the deceit and all the bloodletting and shedding wey these Fulani people don organize. They no go work, then go fail, because the amalgamation of Nigeria don expire, and the product of that amalgamation, Nigeria sef too don follow expire. All those conspiracy of British people and Fulani people do amalgamation, e don expire o, abeg, e don expire since 2013. So make una no dey listen to all those deceits. All those ones wey we dey say hero, some of them be villains. They don expire. Make we begin look for how we go reposition ourselves. Back to your tent, O Israel. Back to your tent. Reposition yourselves. All the many nations wey dey, make them reposition themselves. We go grow, we go develop better than the one wey some people go just dey chop grass around us. Na grass o, na dey talk grass, na make them waka around your place, dey stab people for back, take their lands and properties, dey rape people wives and daughters, dey do all kinds of things, kidnapping and what have you, in the name of say dem get one root wey dey take dey chop grass. Meanwhile, the grass business na very simple business. The science and technology wey dey ground nowadays not be joke, wey be say person go fit take dey cut grass according to specification. Very simple. Na tractor and a baler wey be say na im go dey gather the grass wey you don cut, wey you don dry well, because dry grass no dey spoil. You don cut am, turn am into bales or bundles, then go keep them. Grass wey dry well no dey spoil, e go dey there for years. So the thing wey dey there be say na just to keep them. You can even transport it anywhere, from north to south, from east to west. So the herdsmen or the Fulani herdsmen or anybody wey dey to animal husbandry no need to dey carry animal dey waka all over the place. Say your front yard, your backyard, we just dey see cows all over the place. No, they go keep them one place. Then they go carry the grass, go meet them for where dem dey, to feed them. In fact, this is another business venture. But because the Fulani people know they're short-sighted, and because of their short-sightedness, they are short-sighted now because they're very selfish. Very selfish. This is another business venture where we say you go put food for people table. You go generate revenue. But for where? Now how they go oppress people now in their mind. I not pray make anybody dey bondage of anybody. I know whether you be black man or whether you be white man. My prayer make nobody dey in bondage to any man or to any nation. If I ask you now, how many people they go sleep for night with empty belly? People dey now. Even children, they go sleep for night with empty belly. We not get business with hunger. We not get business with hunger at all, because we get everything at our disposal. Minerals, land, green land all over the place, agricultural resources, produce, Then the human resources. We don't get business with hunger. Say one person picking go sleep with empty belly. So the deceit and the lies, they don't do much. Even we dey deceive ourselves. The deceit can be like entertainment again too. Because when we say all the deceit and lies, now so we go sit down. They follow, they laugh over the whole thing. Meanwhile, person pikin never eat. Person pikin never eat. End SARS wey come so, hunger na part of am. No development, no growth. Meanwhile, the amalgamation don expire since 2013. Nigeria said too, the product of the amalgamation, I go repeat am, e don expire. Make we go back to our tents, so make we go back to our tents, our natural nations. No nation too small. Make we take care of ourselves. Make we take care of ourselves. We go develop better. We go grow faster. And we know who we be. If we want unite, make we peacefully unite by agreement. We go peacefully unite by agreement. That one now will be governance by the people, not by lies and deceit. And all this one way, all the things where we see around, where people just they squander people's lives, they squander the wealth of the people, they squander the one way the thing just, you know, when they say someone that kleptomania, klepto, that is the thief for thieving sake. Now be the thing we just did the whole area. So, my brothers, my sisters, make no pikin go sleep for night with empty belly. The future of our children, they bleak. E no dey bright at all. The foundation set to no level. E no dey. Make I not talk say levels. E no dey. So, make we take these things very, very, very seriously and to heart. I beg. I write so many things for redokubras.com, but I no go fit see all here because they go too long. So those who even get at least primary 6 certificate, make una go read my comments for redokubras.com. And then make una know say I dey feel the pain for our youth. And I know say many people dey where they feel the pain. So make una share this message around. Make everybody get to know say we need to reposition ourselves. For real, we need to reposition ourselves. I greet una. Wado.